Hey guys, today I'm teaching you how to connect your Hostinger domain to Shopify in 2025. Fast and easy. So let's say you've got your domain on Hostinger and your store is live on Shopify, but they are not linked yet. Here's what you do. First, go to your Shopify dashboard. Click Settings, then go Domains. And choose Connect Existing Domain. Type in your domain like your store.com and click Next. Now, Shopify will show you DNS records to update. This is the part where we switch to Hostinger. Open Hostinger, go to Domains, and go to DNS Zone and find your domain. You're going to change two things. First, a record. Point it to Shopify IP address, which is usually 23.227.38.65. And then the CNAME is the shops.myshopify.com. If there are any old A or CNAME records, delete them. And then save your changes. Go back to Shopify and click Verify Connection. Or maybe you click this I updated DNS records. Sometimes it takes a few minutes to update, so don't panic if it doesn't work instantly. Once it connects, Shopify will handle the SSL and security stuff automatically. You see your domain marked as connected and secure. Now your Shopify store runs on your Hostinger domain, clean, professional, and ready for traffic.